Welcome, travelers. Have you ever wondered which cities in Canada should be on your bucket list? Today, we're exploring the top 5 cities in Canada that offer unforgettable experiences for every type of adventurer. Whether you're seeking vibrant cultural scenes, stunning natural landscapes, or world-class cuisine, Canada has it all. Let's dive into our countdown and discover these amazing destinations. Number 5. Quebec City. Nestled along the St. Lawrence River, Quebec City is a charming blend of old-world European charm and Canadian hospitality. Explore the historic streets of Old Quebec, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you'll encounter cobblestone lanes, quaint cafes, and iconic landmarks like the Chateau Frontenac. Don't miss the Winter Carnival, a festive celebration of Quebecois culture. Number 4. Vancouver. Situated on Canada's west coast, Vancouver is a cosmopolitan city surrounded by mountains and ocean. Enjoy Stanley Park's lush greenery, explore Granville Island's artisan markets, and embark on scenic hikes in nearby Grouse Mountain. Vancouver is a haven for food enthusiasts, with diverse dining options ranging from fresh seafood to international cuisine. Number 3. Banff. Tucked away in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is a nature lover's paradise. Discover turquoise lakes, towering peaks, and pristine wilderness in Banff National Park. Take a dip in the Banff Upper Hot Springs or hike to iconic spots like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake for breathtaking views. Number 2. Toronto. As Canada's largest city, Toronto offers a dynamic blend of cultures, arts, and entertainment. Visit the iconic CN Tower for panoramic views, explore diverse neighborhoods like Kensington Market and Distillery District, and catch a performance at the renowned Royal Ontario Museum or Art Gallery of Ontario. Number 1. Montreal. At the top of our list is Montreal, a vibrant city known for its festivals, gastronomy, and joie de vivre. Immerse yourself in Montreal's French heritage by strolling through Old Montreal's historic streets, indulging in poutine, and attending events like the Montreal International Jazz Festival. Explore Mount Royal Park for sweeping city views and outdoor activities. Have you been to any of these incredible cities in Canada? Share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy travels!